This is the ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme, and ASUS is basically saying, yeah, this might be the most premium gaming keyboard we've ever made. CNC aluminum, a customizable OLED display, wireless performance that's supposed to rival wired, and a price tag that makes you stop and go, wait, how much? So the real question is this actually a next-level keyboard experience or just an insanely expensive flex? I've been using it daily and there's a lot to unpack. ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme, the flagship evolution of the original ROG Azoth, released in late 2024. It's a 75% mechanical gaming keyboard aimed squarely at enthusiasts, people who care about typing feel, sound, build quality, and customization just as much as gaming performance. The headline feature here is the full CNC-machined aluminum body paired with ASUS's high-end ROG NX mechanical switches, tri-mode connectivity, and that signature OLED screen. This isn't meant to compete with budget gaming keyboards. It's going after custom mechanical boards and premium enthusiast options, and that context matters a lot. ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use every day? Honestly, this is one of the most solid, confidence-inspiring keyboards I've typed on. For gaming, responsiveness is exactly what you'd expect at this level. Using it wirelessly with ASUS's 2.4 GHz Speed Nova tech, I had zero noticeable input lag in fast-paced shooters and competitive titles. It genuinely feels indistinguishable from wired, which is not something I say lightly. For typing, it's even more impressive. The gasket-mounted design, internal dampening layers, and factory-lubed switches mean keystrokes feel smooth, controlled, and surprisingly quiet for a gaming keyboard. Long writing sessions were comfortable, with no fatigue, and the stabilizers on larger keys, spacebar, shift, enter, are tuned really well. The biggest surprise? Consistency. No weird pinging, no hollow sound, no uneven keys. It feels like ASUS studied custom keyboard forums and just said, fine, we'll do it properly. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because this keyboard has a few. First up, the CNC aluminum chassis. This thing is carved from a single block of metal, and you feel it immediately. The benefit? Incredible rigidity. There's zero flex, which translates to more consistent typing and a premium tank-like feel on your desk. Second, the OLED display and control knob. On paper, this sounds gimmicky, but in practice, it's actually useful. You can adjust volume, RGB brightness, connection mode, battery status, and even system info without opening software. It keeps you in the flow, especially during gaming or work. Third, tri-mode connectivity. Wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless all work seamlessly. Switching between a gaming PC, laptop, and tablet is painless, which makes this keyboard surprisingly practical for hybrid work-from-home setups. Design and build. Aesthetically, ASUS knocked it out of the park. The Azoth Extreme looks clean, aggressive, and premium without screaming gamer. The brushed aluminum finish catches light beautifully, and the subtle RGB underglow adds personality without being obnoxious. In terms of ergonomics, the 75% layout is a sweet spot, compact enough to save desk space, but still functional for productivity. The keyboard is heavy though, and that's intentional. It doesn't move at all. If portability matters to you, this might feel overkill, but as a desk centerpiece, it's fantastic. Battery life. Battery life is solid, but not record-breaking. With RGB and the OLED screen active, expect several days of heavy use, not weeks. Turn down the lighting and screen refresh, and you can stretch it much further. The good news is, charging is fast, and you can keep using it wired while topping up. For a keyboard with this much tech packed inside, battery life feels reasonable, even if not mind-blowing. Pros. Excellent typing feel and sound right out of the box. Lag-free wireless performance for gaming. OLED display and knob are actually useful. Cons. Very heavy and not portable. Battery life could be better with everything turned on. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a mechanical keyboard enthusiast who's already eyeing custom builds or high-end boutique boards, the ROG Azoth Extreme makes a strong case. You're getting premium materials, excellent tuning, and wireless performance that doesn't compromise gaming. It feels like a custom keyboard without the hassle. But if you're a casual gamer or someone just upgrading from a $100 keyboard, this is absolutely overkill. You're paying for refinement, not raw performance gains. For the right person, though, this keyboard isn't just a tool, it's a statement. And honestly, it earns that confidence.